Look at this bump. It's so frustrating. I don't know what the hell. It's like a cyst or something. It's huge. And I'm having some little breakouts over here. But you know what? It's fine. Let's get the fuck up, guys. What's up, y'all? I got this mask on. Because I just went out to go meet with my aunt because she needed for me to get something for her. So I just go drop that off real quick. And I do not play, okay? People in my hallway, they don't never walk around with no mask. So I just be like, let me walk around with mine because so as you can see, I got up, got dressed, all the things. And now I'm trying to figure out my life. So what am I gonna do today? Okay, so let me show y'all what I've done to my living room. Okay, so don't mind all of the laundry back here, but if I stand on this side so you can see. So you guys know that my living room used to be basically like a gray and ivory color. Basically everything in here was ivory because I wanted to warm it up a bit. But I have this super plush, like luxury I say luxury because I mean the feel of it. It's not really a super expensive chair. Well, it ranges anywhere from $300 to $500 actually. I think like Wayfair has it. I think I saw it on Target. Like this is a brand that I guess is carried like throughout many different big box type of furniture stores, but I got mine on OfferUp and I think I got it for like $150. Plus I ended up trading another furniture piece to get this guy, but it was in my like office space, which is in that room. I think this chair is just too good to have hidden. I love this emerald green color. Green is my favorite color altogether, and I just love the way it looks. It brings like, it just pulls together like this upscale kind of look. And I like the ivory, but to be honest, I was falling asleep on my couch. My couch is mad comfortable. It may not look super comfortable, but believe me, it is. And I would fall asleep, and then my hair is of course pink, and then my makeup sometimes would get on. So my pillows that were like ivory would literally become pink and brown from my hair or my makeup or whatever. And so I was just like, you know what? This is such high maintenance. I already have to deal with that because my linens on my bed are ivory. So I was like, you know what? I want to bring the greens back out here. And so I did that, and I kind of zhuzhed up a little bit of the decor stuff too. But I have a long way to go. Like this wardrobe, I don't want to be in this space. I want to bring back the console table in here, do some artwork on the wall. So I want to get this out of here, and then also like remove that because that of course obviously meshed well with the old decor. Yeah, I just want to redo all of this stuff and have my space a little more like, I don't know, upscale. As you can see, stuff is falling out of this thing. This thing is super leaning. I want to get rid of it altogether, but my friend, he says he thinks he can probably fix this. If it's fixable, I don't know. But yeah, I just want this out of this space altogether anyway. So we'll see. But yeah, I need to do laundry. I may do that today, may not. I need to figure out this stuff too, because this is stuff that was in my living room area, but because it's that ivory color, like I was saying, it can go away. So I just want to like clean up and change up my decor a little bit. So yeah, I was thinking about ordering some like wardrobe racks. Ooh, whole earring came off. Wardrobe racks from Target. Have them delivered, and then I can like free up that whole like wardrobe system from IKEA, and then like just because it's leaning, I don't think it could be fixed. I really don't know. I mean, I'm not handy like that, so if my friend thinks he can fix it, I'll let him. I don't know, but yeah, I was thinking about just getting rid of it altogether. I want to kind of go to Marshall's because I want to get some curtains. So I don't know, they have like relatively cheap curtains. I hate the fact that curtains don't come, like when you go to a normal store like Walmart, Target, any of those places, you have to buy one panel, and it'll be one panel for $20. Where if you go to Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Ross, those places, they have the two panels in there for $20. So I want to go get some curtains. But also, I'm really tired. Like, I'm tired. Like, I wake up basically every day super early to go to work. I have to be at work typically around 8 o'clock, sometimes 7, you know, whatever, like around that time. And y'all, I've been waking up super early, like 6 o'clock to get ready for work. And today I was like, I'm gonna get up early. Well, last night I kept saying I'm gonna get up early and then run some errands, get some stuff done. I knew I had to meet my aunt around 12, so I was like, I'm gonna do all this stuff before I meet with her, and then after her I'm gonna do this and do that. And I literally stayed in the bed until 9:30, 10 o'clock. I couldn't do it. My body was just like, you have nowhere to physically be for real. As you guys saw, my little bumps, like they're really small. Like they're going down, but it's like, please don't start. It's not what we need. I honestly want to just take off my clothes and go back to bed. Help, SOS. But a friend of mine and I are planning a little staycation vacation, so that should be fun and relaxing, hopefully. So and that's this weekend. So today is Tuesday, and that'll happen Saturday, Sunday. Friday I'm supposed to be going to a birthday house party thing, so got some things coming up. I'm really trying to get this whole apartment thing situated. It's like my lease is up in April, May. And you guys know I was thinking about like not renewing my lease. I really don't want to do that at all. But I was thinking about breaking my lease. But now I'm just like, until then, I want my space to be as comfortable as possible. All right, guys, I just made it back home. My lips are super dry. Let's go get some quarters because I decided that I'm not going to go all the way to a laundromat and wash my clothes. I'm going to go ahead and wash them in my building, the convenience. So I picked up a couple of things from Marshall's because I was in the area, and I went to Marshall's at a different location last week, and I found some good stuff. The line was so long, I was irritated. I just left out. But I was thinking about that stuff like for the longest time, so I went to the Marshall's closer to me and to see if they had similar things, which y'all know that's rarely the case. But I picked up these. I thought they were so cute. These super long stem faux plant. Those long stems were $7.99 each. Like, so it comes in a bundle of 3. So I got 2 of those. And then I got this huge thing. This actually was at the Marshall's downtown where I went to originally. And so I was so happy that I found it again. It's this huge vessel. It is in this like muted green color. As you know, my living room is back to green. So I got a lot of greenery all around. This huge vessel is $12.99. Y'all, look how big it is. So I'm going to pop the stems right in here. Look how cute. I love her. It's so cute. And I'm going to put it on my, you can't see it, but my console table once I move some stuff around. So yeah, that'll be like that. So the next thing I want to update is my vanity and jewelry section. I want to merge the two. I don't know exactly what that's going to look like, but I do have some ideas that I've been putting together from Pinterest. So I picked up this guy, which is a necklace stand, and it's this 2-tiered T-stand. It has like a faux marble kind of like bottom, but it's not real marble because first of all, it is definitely like super light. I was looking at this because I'm like, if they try to glue this back on, what is this? I will tell you what, if it breaks, it will go back. But it was only $9.99, and I just thought this is super cute, and it goes with my aesthetic. Hopefully, you know, once I get it all together, I will definitely show you guys my inspiration. I've been putting together some stuff from Pinterest, so I'm kind of excited to do this. Because I get my hair cut super low, as you guys know, I've been struggling to keep it moisturized. I just feel like I don't want to put like a heavy leave-in conditioner or any creams or anything like that, and especially with this color, I don't want for it to fade or anything. I don't know, I just kind of don't know what to do. So I was thinking I can get a lightweight oil, and I found this Carol's Daughter. This is a softening hair oil for dry, dull, and brittle hair. I mean, I don't have brittle hair, but because obviously like it's always getting colored and all that stuff, I want to keep it in a sheen. And when my barber does my hair, he literally puts an oil on top of it afterwards. So I needed to pick up a little oil, and this is the black vanilla scent. If you guys haven't smelled the black vanilla Carol's Daughter like line, It smells real good. So try it out. This was only $5.99, originally $8. So good. Then I picked up some like just sponges for my kitchen. Last but not least is the candle of choice. I feel like every time I go to Marshall's, I always get a candle. This is from the DW brand. I love this brand. This one is in the scent Lava. Oh, I wish you guys can smell it. It smells so good. This is only $7.99. Pretty, you know, massive candle, I would say. And I love that it's a 2-wick. I love a 2-wick candle. Yeah, I mean, I don't know how to describe this scent, but it smells like lava. Imagine lava smelling like invigorating. I don't know. That is the haul. I feel like every vlog has a little mini haul in it. Like, I don't know where this is coming from, like whether it's groceries or if it's like home decor stuff or if it's fashion. Maybe I'm a haul channel. I don't know. Like, I don't always buy stuff, but I do be buying stuff. But yeah, so that is the end of this vlog. I will pick back up probably on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. I'm not sure when that vlog will go out, but I think I'm gonna try to like sit down and think of some like specific days I can start like producing my vlogs, you know, instead of like just random. But I don't know what that looks like, so I will be brainstorming that and I'll get back to you guys on that. But thank you guys for watching another vlog, and like I said, the next one will be more so of me like going out and being out and about, because I do have a couple of things coming up this weekend. So yeah, thank you guys for staying tuned, and see you in the next vlog.